This video chart presentation of Brainstorm Cell Therapeutics. It's a bulletin board listed company trading our ticker BCLI. Doing some scans this morning, I ran across this chart. I think it's one to certainly keep an eye on. This is really kind of a flattened out inverted head and shoulders pattern. Price per share is sitting on top of the 50 and 200-day moving averages. Bollinger Bands are pulling together a little bit and tilting upward. I think it's one worth keeping on radar right now to see if this upward push is going to follow through. Now we're not getting a lot from the MACD. See basically a wedge type of look going on at this point, but still holding over top of zero, and that's a key point that I look for on any retrace after a move. That's where I want to see another bullish cross get dropped and see if this upward trend is going to try and continue or not. See the ADX is getting down very low. Telling me there's not a lot of strength in any direction at this point. Kind of to be expected. The stock's stuck in a channel. MFIs all floating right around 50. Again, a very neutral reading. Accumulation distribution. It is putting together a nice little uptrend. Chaikin money flow still holding in the green at this point, saying buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. CCI made a sharp move upward. Still down low. I want to see it trending over top of zero. And as I always mention, the official buy signal for CCI traders is the break of 100. Not getting a lot from the full stow either. Looks like it's starting to rotate, but again, down below 50 shows bearish momentum in the play. And the tricks, pretty similar read to the MACD. Look for a rotation and a bullish cross, holding above zero. RSIs also put together a bounce. Another thing I reference in a lot of charts, looking for the red and gold lines, the longer term RSIs, the 14 and 21, to hold over top of 50 to show that bullish momentum is being sustained in the play. But overall, very neutral readings from the indicators. As far as support and resistance goes, 22 cents would be a support level I'd be looking for. Although I will admit I wouldn't feel as warm and fuzzy about this chart if it can't hold above this 50 and 200-day moving averages. Right now they're at key points. Broadly speaking, they tend to not want to trend right next to each other. So when they start tucking together like that, you can see all registering 24. I look for a sharper move in the play. Doesn't tell you which way. Could be up, could be down. But it is time to start putting an eye on it and see if it's going to make a move. Now historically there was some resistance right through the 24-cent mark. That's trying to hold as some support right now. Right there on top of the moving averages. In the resistance side of things, I'd look for 27 cents. If I could see a surge in volume, upward pressure, and break through 27, see going back over 9 months there's not much more resistance in its way until a stock is pushing on some old highs up in the area 34, 35 cents. Like I say, this does have the look and feel of an inverted head and shoulders, which is a real strong reversal pattern. The neckline's not really clearly defined, but there is definitely a resistance point up around 27 cents. Pretty nice looking chart though, one I'll be watching going forward to see how it performs. As always, merely my interpretation of the BCLI chart. Thank you for watching and trade smart.